Good afternoon. It's May 7th, one week into May, and here's your extended weather report. What's going to happen in the Ozarks here over the next couple days, up to a week, or even beyond. And it's looking warmer generally. There is a 7-day forecast popping up, so you can show you that. But 70s the next 3 days or so. Setback in temperature Sunday, Monday. I'll show you what that's all about. Cool morning Monday morning, and then a quick rebound in temperature next week that'll take us to 80 at least, if not warmer on that day or even the days beyond that, the way it looks now. There might be another cool front that shuts that down later in the week. Nothing is looking terribly strong, nothing like the cold waves we experienced in April and that big one that almost seems like it didn't happen at the beginning of May. Let's take a look at the current situation across the Great Plains here. First of all, you'll notice we got a couple of severe weather watches, severe thunderstorm watches out through parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, even a chunk of Colorado. Various thunderstorms in action out there. We'll zoom in on that in a minute. But we had this weakening area of rain that moved quickly through Springfield. It's now over, almost out of the area, really. A couple of little backlash showers have occurred back in the wake of this. I won't expect those to really develop into much. But I think what will happen is whatever this becomes later on tonight, this activity out here will maybe drift into the area just like last night's rain cluster late tonight, and maybe some thunder with that as well. I'm not expecting anything severe. Even have a lone cell there southeast of Fort Smith. Part of a pattern of weather, and this is the upper atmosphere here. I'm going to zoom out. First of all, right there over Virginia, Maryland, that's the low that brought us the snow, still hanging around. It's leaving, though. And then generally out west, we have this rather just broad area of low pressure right here. And what's happening are little disturbances like this one, and possibly another one here, and then maybe another one back here, are all kind of rotating through this flow over the next couple of days. If you want to watch the general flow of things here, you can. So we have that one disturbance moving through Missouri. The showers and thunderstorms over the watch areas being, again, focused by a little upper-level disturbance. Another one of those will be moving across Oklahoma and Texas tomorrow. We'll get leftover thunderstorms from that. And a cool front eventually enters the picture for us, and that will help to focus showers and storms as well. We'll take all this off here and show you the model data here. And this is what's going to happen, I think, over the next couple of days. The blue are radar simulated returns, and the upper level flow is in brown. So we just kind of tick away and watch this. So tonight's development out there in Kansas, see some of that is coming toward the Ozarks. That right there is about 4 a.m. That's about 7 a.m. So some of that might be in western Missouri, northwestern Arkansas. And then that kind of fades, and then some more develops during the day maybe. And then the front is actually marked by this line right here. That'll help to focus more showers and storms. And then I think generally it slips south of us, and the upper level flow has a trough of low pressure that'll sweep on through. This is not necessarily, however, a cold flow initially. This is actually a nice flow for later on Friday and early Saturday, especially. There might be a few showers on Saturday with a secondary cold front that forms. We'll see how nice that Saturday ends up being. But this is a colder snap of weather for next week. You can see the upper level winds, low pressure over Lake Superior. So this is just encouraging another high to come on down. As a matter of fact, I can switch to that and show you that real quick and show you what the winds at the surface are going to be doing. So this is the high pressure system by later in the week. Oops, I can't write today. That kind of nudges. That's the second cold front right there. So yeah, cooler next week. As you saw on the 7-day, though, we'll have a quick rebound from this by the middle part of next week.